What up, people? Hey, hey, hey. So it's big hair reveal moment. Honey, can you turn that down just a tad bit, please? Be like 5 minutes. So, who's jumping on? Because we got the big hair reveal. Spent 4 hours again with Miss Shauna. Hey, Miss Laura. I'm going to do my lips real quick while we wait for people to pop on. I'm going to add a little, what? Lexi says, I feel like you just did this. I don't know. I did it a while ago when I got my extensions.
Who said that?
Lexi. I'm going to go in with a little Superb. I'm going to do some pink. I got some pretty purple eyeshadow on today, though. Digging it. So we're going to do a little pink lip. Yeah, guys, let's see. Hey, Diana. Hey, Heather. Y'all think it's purple. What other colors do you guys think I did? Huh? I couldn't go too extreme. I mean, I do have a day job that I have to think about. Laura thinks it's purple and pink. Tammy says, girl, what have you done now? Well, you never know. You never know. Let's put on some Superb. Look how pretty pink that is. Rainbow? Holy Hannah. Y'all, if you have not tried this Splash liquid lipstick, I'm gonna tell you what, you need to try it, okay? So status update. We've been killing it the last couple of days, and I thank everybody for their support. It doesn't matter if you've liked stuff, commented, ordered, whatever. I just so appreciate y'all's support. I really, really do. We have today and we have tomorrow to hit our green, and we are this close. So if y'all want to be part of that, message me. I can tell you how you can help us. It's not going to take much. I'm going to tell you that right now. So y'all ready? Are y'all ready? What, Jamie? Okay. Everybody thinks that I have some crazy hair. No, my hair's not going to be red. Not going to be red. I still have my extensions. And I still have shaved head because you can't really change that when you go shaved. Ready? 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 Here we go. Boom. Uh-oh, I tied it in a knot and it's stuck. Let me get it out. Oh, there we go, guys. What do you think?
It's purple.
It's purple. Yes,
just in case you're colorblind.
It's purple. I love it. Shauna did an amazing job. If y'all are looking for a hairdresser, y'all need to go see Shauna. Shauna Manis is thebomb.com. I'm telling you what. So yes, y'all need your help to get to green status. Seriously. Huge deal. Unique purple. That's right, girl. If I am not Donald, he doesn't let me do anything. I pretty much do what I want. Yeah. And he likes it. I don't know if he does or not, truly, but he's going to like it. Thank you, Lexi. See, he even said she does what she wants. So yes, this is the new hair. If you can't tell me that I'm not
Donald,
dedicated...
you're supposed to have come back to Texas anyways. How come you're not come back yet?
Yeah. So we've got a little bit of lavender. We've got a little bit of dark purple in there for some dimension. Yes. Digging it. Yeah. I did go purple. And I love it. And if you don't think that I'm dedicated to my Younique makeup biz. Y'all are crazy, okay? Because I went Younique purple. So, y'all, Donald will soon be here. Good, Donald, we can't wait to see you.
Yeah, you need to define soon.
So guys, seriously, I put my website in the comments here. If you can share this video, it would be hugely helpful. Like I said, it will take literally a $24 order or a $27 order. If you want to try a splash lipstick, which I just put on, this is superb. I love it. Y'all, seriously, we need to get to green. We need to. I'm dying, absolutely dying. If you place an order today and tomorrow, I have a bunch of stuff. Like I have makeup bags and I have a bunch of like mascara in stock that I have. I'm gonna do a live, and I called it Roulette, like roulette game. We're gonna do like draw a name and draw a product. So if you place an order today and tomorrow, you could potentially get a free $50 item, okay? All it takes is just a simple $24 order, $27 order. If you spend $100, you get free shipping. There's so much going on. If you want to help us, and I really, really hope you do, really hope you do, please message me. I do have pink in my teeth. I thought I saw that. Hold on. Let me wash that out. This isn't beer, by the way.
No, it's not beer.
There we go.
Diet Coke.
Put some gold with it. Ooh, some gold. So anyway, guys, we have skincare. We have the best skincare line. We have makeup, whatever. Oh, planes go up north. That is very true, but
it's been snowing all year. I don't do snow.
We don't go to the snow, Donald. You know that. So anyway, guys, get those refinery guys to tell their wives to order. I know, right? Golly. Anyway, the crew, the captains of the crew, were busting our butts. Okay, we are working our tails off. So y'all, if you want to throw us some support, it would be greatly appreciated. That's all I wanted. I just wanted to hop on and show you my fabulous new hair. I'm loving it. And
randomness in the morning.
Randomness in the morning. I think Brian's gonna come over. I talked to him earlier. Brian will be over. Yeah, we'll see. I don't think I'll be doing makeup in the morning because I am having a dermaplaning facial done tomorrow. Hi, Katie. Hi, Carla. Hi, Karen. Hi, Nicole Roberts. So yeah, I don't think I'll be doing makeup. Maybe we'll,
she's doing makeup in the morning. Don't worry about that.
Maybe we'll try something fun. I'm not sure. And they're side chicks.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, share this video. Share it. Just takes a second to hit the share button. And if you want to follow us, just tap your screen, hit the follow button. You'll be notified every time we go live. Help us out, guys. Super appreciate it. I hope you guys have a fabulous Friday and a wonderful weekend. Happy Easter. Oh, it's kind of Easter eggy, isn't it? My hair. I love it. Love it. That's it, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.